After the plane impacted the side of the hill, a lot of the wreckage slid down the slope into this drainage. And at this time of the year, the drainage has minimal water, so I'm going to walk the drainage and try to find all the wreckage that I can. Some of the aircraft wreckage washed down the steep, narrow cleft into the lower part of the drainage. We rappelled down there with ropes, and we did find some additional artifacts from the airplane. The high-pitched whine you hear in the background are insects. The next crash site which I want to investigate is near the village of Burmani Kami. This is west of Manu in the Indian state of Tripura. The approximate location is about 60 miles north of the Bay of Bengal. I tried to approach this area from two different directions, but the local police commandants told me that it was just too dangerous for a foreigner to be there. Apparently there was an armed insurgency by a local separatist group. They advised me to return to the state capital of Agartala and get special clearance from the state commandant of Tripura Police. The state commandant of Tripura Police welcomed my investigations into this area and gave me the special clearance that I requested. He said he would arrange for an armed escort. I was very surprised to learn that that armed escort consisted of 32 paramilitary troops armed with machine guns, assault rifles, and rocket launchers.
कितना से 85 और 2000 85 और 2000 अरे पर्सन ही
Finally reached the site of some of the wreckage. What we're seeing here is the propeller and crankshaft from a C-47 aircraft. After photographing all the wreckage I could find in the drainage, we are now returning to the village of Burmani Kami. I understand that the villagers had found many remains at the site shortly after the crash and had actually brought them back to the village and buried them in a makeshift cemetery. We want to find that cemetery and learn what we can about the exact location of the graves.